Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to the Coloring with Utaba channel. Today we are going to draw and color the mommy shark. So let's get begin.
With an oink oink here and an oink oink there.
First we are going to draw the structure of mommy shark.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm
I draw the lips here and a little nose.
With a grunt, grunt
Now
here and
it's
a
time to
grunt,
make the
grunt
beautiful
there.
eyes of mommy shark.
Everywhere a grunt, grunt. Old MacDonald had a farm.
Now I'm going to draw the tail of mommy shark.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
Now I take the black marker to enhance the outer lines of the mommy shark.
E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there. Here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse.
Now friends, it's time to color the mommy shark. I take light pink color for the mommy shark.
There a neigh, everywhere a neigh, neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow. E-I-E-I-O.
Friends, are you enjoying and coloring with me?
Moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a goat. E-I-E-I-O. With a bleat bleat here and a bleat bleat there. Here a bleat, there a bleat, everywhere a bleat bleat. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
I love the color of mommy shark.
He had a chicken. E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O.
Now it's time to color her lips with red.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
Awesome!
E-I-E-I-O.
The mommy shark diagram is ready.
Donkey.
She looks so pretty.
With a bray bray here and a bray bray there. Here a bray, there a bray, everywhere a bray bray. Old MacDonald had
So friends, if you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.